My Perry could make all sorts of sounds. He could mimic anything. The phone ringing, the faucet dripping, and people's voices, too. Oh, he would say things my late husband Albert used to say, and it would sound exactly like him. It was such a comfort to me after he passed. At least I could still hear Albert's voice. But now I'll never hear it again.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll find your bird.
This is all just so stupid and pointless. We've been wandering around for hours. I'm going to the mall, see if I can get that job.
What do you mean, Young? You have a job. You're the vice president of the Mike Tyson mystery team.
Wait, you told me I was the vice president.
Oh, that's right. Young's the secretary because she's a girl.
Can I have the car keys, please?
You know what? Why don't we all just go with you?
I got the job! They want me to start training right away. What's in there?
It's a new parrot. We're going to give it to that old lady and say it's her old parrot. And by the time she notices, we'll have cashed the check.
Since when do we charge for mysteries?
Since I became treasurer of the Mike Tyson mystery team. Oh, damn, she died. Now we'll never get that check.
Michael, she's sleeping. Let's just put this parrot in the cage.
Oh, for Christ's sake, the bird's right here. Oh, for Christ's sake, the bird's right here.
Close the window, Marcus. Close the window, Marcus. Close the window, Marcus.
I love you, Miriam. I love you, Miriam.
Oh, that must be him doing her late husband Albert's voice. That is so touching.
Where did you get that gun, Miriam? Wait, why are you pointing it at me? I'm your husband.
Oh, damn.
I'm your husband. Oh, you murdered me. Why? Why, Miriam? Why?
For the insurance money. Pull that rug back. Now open the cellar door.
Ooh, that's convenient. Lots of homes in the western United States don't have basements.
Now get down in there. I'm going to shoot you dead just like I did Albert.
Dad?
Hey!
Oh, damn, I was going to return that.
Hey, Jennifer? Will you let Tracy know that I won't be at work tomorrow? I forgot I already have a job. I'm the secretary of the Mike Tyson mystery team.